Number 69. Number 69. Matla has 3 green, 4 red, and 3 blue marbles in one bag. What is the probability of choosing one red? Choosing one red. One red. Probability of choosing one red. All the balls are... We have 3 green plus 4 red plus 3 blue. We make a total of 10, okay? So, what is the probability of choosing one red? The probability of choosing one red is 1/10. Out of all these 10 balls, the probability of choosing one red is 1/10 because you are taking one ball out of 10 balls. Okay? So the probability will be this. Number 70. Number 70, express 60% as a decimal. This is how you're supposed to do it. 60%, 60% the same thing as 60/100. Remember, it's a decimal. You're taking it to be a decimal. Okay? 100 into 60. 100 into 60, 0. You put a decimal point here, you put a 0 here. 100 into 600, 6. Okay? Then that's your answer. 0.6. 0.6. And it will be B here. It will be A here. You must know how to solve these things. They are just easy as that. It's for you to know what you are supposed to do. That's it. Get to know the formulas. You will get to make it. You will get to be the best of yourself in mathematics. I don't doubt, and I will never doubt. I believe in you. So let's just get going. Number 71. Which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? This is comparing. We are using the science for comparing. Okay? This topic is about comparing. So the first one, A 0.9 is equals to 0.90. Not actually. 0.86 is big. Remember, when it have opened like this, it means where it have opened, that side is big. If it open like this, it means that side is big. So this science may be tricky, but this is how you get to figure them out. When it open like this, where it have opened is the side that is big. Where it have opened is the side that is big. Okay? The side that is big. So 0.86 is bigger than 0.91. No, not actually. Number C, 9.133 is bigger than 9.135. No, not actually. D, 28.10 is smaller than 28.1. Not actually. So the answer will take it to A. The best answer there is A. You just write A like this when you are writing down your answer. You don't just write A. When you have wrote like this, the teacher or in the vigilator will understand if there is no multiple choice. Okay? Just write like that. It will be fine and it will get you underline. Number 72. Number 72. Calculate the angle X. This shape is like this. This shape is like this, like you see. Angle X is here. This side we have 112 degree. Remember, the straight line makes up of 180 degree. So we have X plus 112 degree is equals to 180 degree. We are using 180 because it's a straight line. A straight line makes up of 180 degree. Okay? So we take this 12 to the other side, it will give us a negative number. Then it will be 180 minus, this one it changes from a positive number, it will be minus 100. When it goes to the other side, it will be minus 112. You can check it and do it aside. Can check it and do it aside. Check it and do it aside. Zero minus 2, it can't, it will give you a negative number, so we take 1 from 8, we will remain with 7. We put 1 here, we will have 10. 10 minus 2, it will be 8. 7 minus 1, it will give you 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 68. So X is equals to 68. This is how you find out what is X. So 68 plus 112 must give you 180. That's how you get to know that you solved your problem well, you know. That's how you check or cross-check your answer if it's really correct. 68, this side plus this side must give you 180. So if we put 68 here plus this 112, they must give you 180. You can cross-check if you want to be sure. Two plus 8, 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, plus 1, 8. Then you bring down 1, then it will be 180 degree. That's it. So X will be 68 degree. That was number 72 for you. Number 72 for you. Now we are moving to number 73. Number 73. Number 73. An apple cost X. Quashes. This currency is this currencies from Jordanian dinar, you know, or Jordanian currency, you know. And other countries are using the same currencies with the same name, you know, but different in printing. The maximizing of money itself. An apple cost X Buddha. Let's put Buddha for now. And an apple cost X Buddha. Bananas cost 3X Buddha. Ekochuku bought 6 apples and 3 bananas. Express the total cost in terms of X quashes or X Buddha. An apple cost X, okay? An apple cost X. Banana cost 3X. Ekochuku bought 6 apples times the money he used X. An apple cost X pula, okay? And plus the banana. We go for the banana. The banana, how many bananas? 3 bananas. 3 bananas times how many? 1 banana. Banana costs 3x. Banana costs 3x. 3x pula. Okay? 3x pula. So it will go like this. It will go like this. 6x plus 3 times 3x. So 6x plus 3 times 3 is equals to 9x. We are not combining this to make one because we are talking about different things. The other ones are apples, the other ones are banana. So the difference is just a currency, of different items. So this will be an expression. This will be an expression. We move to number 74. Number 74, looking at this, which one is an associative law of addition? An associative law of addition, the numbers are just the same. The difference is with the movements of brackets. These numbers are not actually the same, they are mixed. 4, 7, 8, 4, here they multiply, that's why there is a mistake. 4 plus 7 in bracket here, and 4 plus 7 again in bracket, 4 is equals to 7, that's why they make mistake here, so they are not the same. 4 plus 7 plus 8, 4 plus 7 plus 8 is the same. The brackets have been moved on to the 4 plus 7 at first, then they will move to 7 plus 8 at last. So that must be the answer. Let's see if D was close. D wasn't even close because the brackets have went into all of them here, this side. So the answer will be C. Just put C like this, just fine. So we are moving to number 75. Number 75. The value of 10 cubic. The value of 10 cubic is the same thing as 10 times 10 times 10. It's going to give you 1000. Okay? Because it's like this 10 are 3. Okay? They give you 1000. It's the same thing when you had to square them, or like you turn them into an index form. Okay? We are moving to here. The answer is this. Okay? The answer is 10 times 10 times 10. So number 76. Number 76. Calculate the volume of the circle with diameter 14 centimeter and the height 7 centimeter. To calculate the volume of a circle, the circle is like this. We were told the diameter is 14. This is the diameter. The line that divides the circle into half is called the diameter and not the circumference. Okay? You shall always bear in your mind. So, the diameter is 14, then the height. The height is 7 centimeter. Calculate the volume. You must know the formula of the volume for you to make it. So this is the formula of the volume. This is the formula of the volume is equal to pi times radius times height. Okay? So from here, the pi, we put it here. This is the pi times r. R is a radius, so we are going to divide this shape into half to give us 2 radiuses, and it will be 7. 7 times 7, another radius here. This radius and another radius, like this radius and another radius. 7 and 7, we put them here because this formula wants 2 radiuses times height. Height is 7. So 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 7, 1. Then we calculate it in a straight line. 22 times 1 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is equals to 49. But for now, let's do it like this. 22 times 7. 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is equals to 14. 4 carry 1. 7 times 2 is equals to 14 again, plus this one is 15. And we multiply again. We just multiply with this 7 here. We are going to multiply with another 7. This 7 here. We are going to multiply here. 7 times 4, 7, 14. 7 times 4, 7, 14, 21, 28. Put 8 here, 2 here. We carry 2. 7 times 5, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. 35 plus 2, 35, 36, 37. 37, we put 7 here. We carry 3. 7 times 1 is equals to 7 plus 3. Plus this 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to give us 10. So the answer for number 76 is equals to, is going to be 1078 centimeter cube. Okay? That's the answer. We are moving to number 77. Number 77. We are moving to number 77. We are moving to number 77. Number 77. 10% of 20. This is how we write it. 10%. 10% is the same as 10 over 100 times 20. This 0 cancels this 0, this 0 cancels this 0. That's what we are remaining here. 1 divided by 1, no? Nothing there. Or 1 times 2 still remain with 2. So the answer for number 77 is 2. 2 is there, is D. We are moving to number 78. Number 78. Number 78. Nikov Jimmy Nkwe shared his 200 heads of cattle among his 2 boys, Professor and General, in a ratio 2:3. How many cattle were given to Professor? He shared this cattle 2 plus 3 in a ratio of 2 and 3, so it's 2 plus 3, that gives you a total of 5. That's what you must rush to do when you are given a ratio problem such as this. You must get to know the total first of both of the people or whatever item or whatever things you were given to solve that mathematics problem. So we just got the total. How many cattle were given to Professor? So we were told that the 2 boys, Professor and General, in a ratio, they were shared. This cattle were shared. These 200 heads of cattle were shared in a ratio 2:3. 2, it means it is for Professor. 3 is for General. That's how it goes. So we want how many cattle were given to Professor. So Professor is the first number here. We are going to have 2 over the total 5. All of them that to the proportion of 5. So for Professor, he took 2, the proportion of 2 in 200. Which means that the proportion of 3 in 200 will remain for General. So Professor, how many cattle were given to Professor? This profession. So this is how we're going to do it. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times, you have 40 here. We take the 0 here. 4 times 4, this 0 will be here. You have 40. So 40 times 2 is equals to 80. 40 times 2 is equals to 80. Professor took 80 kettles. 80 kettles. While it means that the remaining heads of kettles, which are 120, they are for General. Okay? Number 79. Work out 67 plus 50 minus 60 plus 88 divided by 8. We add the ones that are in brackets. They will give us 67. Let's add them together. That's the shortcut for adding. If you don't know how to add, or if you are scared of adding up big numbers. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So we'll have 11. We will have 117 here minus 60 plus 88 divided by 8. So here we can just divide like this. 88 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8, 1. 8 divided by 8, 1. That's it. Then we have 117 minus 60 plus 11. We subtract 117. If you are using BODMAS here, you have realized that this one, so brackets, before remove brackets off, we started by removing the brackets. Division, we went to division, then there's no multiplication, and however it is, we start solving the way it is. To which one of this come first, we just solve to which one just come first. So this subtraction come first. 117 minus 60. 117 minus 60. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 6. It can't. It will give you a negative number from the number line. So this 1, it goes here. It will be 11. So we take 6 to 11 for easy subtraction. For those who don't know how to subtract. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 times. You put 5 here. We have 57 plus 11 is going to give us 68. This is the answer. This is the answer for number 79. That's how you're supposed to do it. You know what I'm saying? We are moving to number 80. Number 80, what is 65%? 65% is the same as 65 over 100. It's a fraction in its simplest form. So we divide this by, we find the number that can divide this, we turn it into its simplest form, meaning that we are reducing it, so we can just divide it by 5 to see how it goes. 5 into 10, 2 times here. The remaining is we have 20. Five into 6, 1. It will remain with 1. 5 into 15, 3 times. So it will be 13 up here. So can we still reduce it to something? Or 2 or something? No, we can no longer reduce it to its simplest form. So this will be the answer. Okay? Number 81. Number 81, we are moving to number 81. Number 81. Number 81. Number 81. In a class of 29 pupils, there are 7 boys than girls. How many boys are in the class? How many boys are in the class? This is how we do it. In a class of the total of them, the total is 29. In a class of 29, there are 7 more boys than girls. It means the boys are 7 more than what? More than girls. Girls is X in this. X, there are 7. This one is an original, like boy or girl. So the extra ones of the other side is more of 7. That's what it means, okay? Don't be confused. So this X represents both people in the class. So one of the genders is 7 times more, which is there are 7 more boys. There are more boys than girls. There are 7 more boys than girls. So this one's is for all the genders. They are equal here. We have them in the class, and the other gender is 7 more, to make a total of 29. That's what it means, okay? That's how you must understand it. And we're at number 81. So that's how we solve it. 7 goes the other side. Positive 7 goes the other side of the equal sign. It will give us, this x will remain. It will give us 29 minus 7 when we take this 7 the other side. And 29 minus 7, 29 minus 7, 9 minus 7 is equals to 7, 8, 9, 2, put 2 here, then 2 goes down, so x is going to be 22. X is equals to 22. So there are 22. There are 22. The question goes, how many boys are in the class? Remember that the question was saying there are 7 more boys than girls. So this one's it's the number of boys and girls in the class. Okay? So it means we are going to divide this by 2. Dividing this by 2, we have 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. Then we have 11 boys and 11 girls. So 11 plus 7, it will give us 11. 11 plus 7, it will give us 18. How many boys are there in the class? So we have 18 boys. We have 18 boys in the class. That's how we find it. Number 82. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much.